Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. India's Independence Day is coming up, so Amazon Great Indian Festival will start from 31st July 2025. But wait, are the tablet deals really exciting? Today I am breaking down why Amazon Freedom Sale might not be the best time to buy a new tablet. Actually, many people are asking me many questions, so in this video I will try to answer those questions before the actual sale starts. Actually, the real price of any tablet will be known when the actual sale starts. If you want to buy Redmi Pad 2, in that case for the 128GB variant you might have to pay around 12,000 rupees, and for the 256GB variant you might have to pay around 14,000 rupees. Not much lower than the regular deal prices you see throughout the year. Similarly, if you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation, in that case it may be sold at a price point of 23,000 rupees, which is the standard best price for this iPad. And if you get iPad 10th generation at 23,000 rupees, you can definitely buy this tablet or iPad. But if you want to buy iPad 11th generation 128GB variant, in that case the best price for that tablet will be 27,000 rupees maximum. But I don't think you will get that pricing because this is a newly launched iPad. Similarly, the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus is on the higher side. Actually, you are paying nearly the same price as normal price, so I think if you get Tab S9 FE Plus under 25,000 rupees, only then you can make the purchase. Otherwise, you should wait for another sale, maybe Big Billion Days sale or Great Indian Sale. Many people are planning to buy Moto Pad 60 Pro, so they are asking me about the best price of Moto Pad 60 Pro. Actually, if you want to buy the 128GB variant, in that case the best price would be 21,000 rupees. On the other hand, many people want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus. If you want to buy S10 FE Plus, in that case the best price would be around 42,000 rupees maximum. But if you can wait till Big Billion Days sale, you can get S10 FE Plus under 40,000 rupees. Many people want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 tablet. They are asking me the best price of 128GB and the 256GB variant. If you want to buy the 128GB, in that case the best price would be around 55,000 rupees, and for the 256GB variant the best price would be 58,000 rupees. Next, if you are planning to buy Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, in that case for the 128GB you may have to pay around 23,000 rupees. That is the best price for this tablet. Next, many people want to buy Xiaomi Pad 7. In that case the best price for Pad 7 is 22,000 rupees for the 128GB and 25 to 26,000 rupees for the 256GB. So finally, in the conclusion, should you buy any tablet from Amazon.in or Flipkart.com in Freedom Sale? Actually, if you get the best price of your tablet, in that case you can definitely buy your favorite tablet. Otherwise, you should wait for another sale, because Big Billion Days sale will be the best sale of the year. So do let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy in this Freedom Sale. Feel free to ask me if you have any questions. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel. That will motivate me to make such videos in the long run. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.